Hi, I'm Boyke. This is the second adventure with Boyke. Today we're gonna have a cooking adventure. We're gonna cook chicken satay in pinto sauce and ketchup sauce. Hop on and let's go on adventure. These are the chicken thighs. Chicken thighs is delicious. It's very delicious, and the texture is very good for satay. And that's why I'm using chicken thigh. You can also use chicken breast, but I don't like that very much. So I'm using only chicken thighs for the satay. Okay, these are the chicken thighs. We're gonna wash our chicken thighs with water and with vinegar. Um, Give it a good wash. Now we're gonna make the marinade for the satay. What do we need? Onion powder, Maggi blocks, white pepper, salt, Laos powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, and of course oil. I use the oil to bind the marinade with the chicken. Okay, the measurement is very easy. 2 tablespoons of oil, ginger powder, Laos powder, a teaspoon of white pepper, 1 Maggi block, only 1, garlic powder, and the onion powder. We're gonna give this a good stir. I'm using for this marinade 2 ketchup sauce. I'm using for this marinade 2 ketchup sauce, the black label one, the black soya sauce, and with this Pondar soya sauce. This one is thicker. think I have to put something more because the color is not so nice yet. Okay, this is how the chicken look like after the marinade. Now we have to wait for the chicken to for the marinade. Let's give it 2 hours so that all the spices can go into the chicken. And put this in the freeze. Okay, you can put this into the water. For later. Now I'm gonna make the sauce. I'm gonna be starting with the soya sauce. For the soya sauce, we need some garlic. I think 3 garlics is enough. We need some pepper. I don't have fresh pepper, so I have frozen pepper. I use frozen peppers for that. Delicious dumpje nets. I'm gonna peel this the garlic. 3 garlics. We're gonna wash this pepper. Okay. Black soy sauce. Brown sugar. Okay, I've put the garlic and the pepper in the soya sauce, and we're gonna. The soya sauce is very watery now, and it's gonna be more thicker. I have not used all the pepper and for the soya sauce because I want to use it also in my pinda sauce. Okay, let's give it a taste. Let's see if the soya sauce is ready. Oei la la. Oei. It is hot and spicy. But I like that. Okay. The soy sauce is thicker now, as you can see. I think it is fine. Okay, that was the soya sauce. Now we're gonna start cooking the pinda sauce. The pinda sauce is very easy to make. What you do need is pinda butter. And of course, I like pinda butter, so I have always in my house this one. Okay, I'm gonna put some boiled water in it. And the pinda sauce. Make it creamy. Give the butter dark color. Okay, let's give it a taste. Oh yeah. Oh my god, it's a little bit hot. Okay folks, the pinda sauce is finished. You're gonna put this satay now in the oven. The oven should be, I think, 175 degrees, and I think 15 till 20 minutes in the oven. I have buttered the pan. I've buttered the pan, and now I put the satay in the pan. First of all, I've buttered the pan. I have to put it satay in the pan, and now I'm waiting for the oven till it is 170 degrees, and after that I can put the pan in the oven with the chicken in it. The oven has reached the temperature, so I put the pan in the oven. We're gonna turn the satay down. Okay, just another 15 minutes and it is done. Okay, that's it. We're gonna taste this bad boy today. Some decoration. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and the comments of course. Okay, bye bye.